Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create interactive spin wheels games in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva and don't forget to sign in with your account. This is the Canva desktop version that you can get for free. You can download for free from the official website of Canva. So let's start by click on apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down and try to find this one, spin wheel maker. Take it for a spin, design image based spin wheels and play for random outcomes. Perfect for store sales or fun yes or no games. Create engaging experience with interactive tool. So here we go. You can click use in new design or use in existing design. For example, let's try with the Instagram post aspect ratio. Here, so in order to create a spin wheel and QR code that can be scanned to play in your internet browser, so here you can choose the content. So you can write yes, no, or something here. For example, like truth or dare. So you can just copy. This is the content, and the customize, here you can choose the color. For example, for the dare will be a red one, and for the truth will be the green one. Then you can choose the text color, maybe white, and border color again maybe black one. So you can choose the background. This is for the spinner. You can choose a green one, or let make it white, and the text color and the border color. So if you feel this is enough, or hit this one, there is a note here. Each line represents a segment on the wheel. So you can have a minimum of 2 segments and maximum 20. So just simply add to design. And here we go. The scan to play, you can scan the QR code. This one you can try from your mobile phone, and this is the spin wheel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.